Hey, what's up you guys? My name's Deanna. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be filming the long-awaited dorm haul. So let's just get right into it because as you can see, it's a mess. So the first thing we have here is this lap desk. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond for $20. As you can see, I've already opened it. It's super comfortable, it's really great to use, and I'm excited to bring it to college. The next thing that we have here is this Brio portable blender. I got this off of Amazon, and I honestly just kind of fell in love with the idea of having a portable blender. So this is really easy to open. It just opens up on the side like this, and I got it in this pretty blue color. Blues and grays are definitely going to be a theme in this haul video, so sorry in advance. I got these hanging attachments off of Amazon. They just attach onto your hangers and they hang vertically, and you can hang more clothes vertically, and I thought that was pretty neat. Not sure if I'm going to be able to bring that many clothes because I just don't know if I have that many clothes, but if I use them, I use them. If I don't, I'm sure my roommate would really like them. So I have here this Holmes Lil Wizard oscillating power fan. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond because your girl gets hot in Florida and sweating is not cute. I got this mesh shower tote from Bed Bath & Beyond. I've seen a lot of people get these and they look pretty convenient. I have a Jack and Jill style bathroom, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically my room and then another room, and then we share a bathroom. So I share a bathroom with 3 people, and so it's just nice to have the convenience of like being able to bring your things like into your bathroom and then taking them out, whereas leaving them. Here I have this Conair Reflections LED lighted collection. It's a cute little mirror. It's only about like this big, and that's why I really liked it. I got this for $10 on Memorial Day. It was such a good deal, and this is basically like a steal. It's this pretty rose gold bronzy color, and I think it's just super cute, and definitely gonna be using this. Here I have this over-the-door rack. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was around $10 to $15. It was right next to the command strips. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be using this for yet because it looks like it's really good for towels, but I might use it for like rain jackets, something to go in my closet. We'll figure it out. I got these velvet hangers from HomeGoods. They were $7.99 and there's 18 of them, which is like such a steal. They're really cute. They've got this like cute little design right here. It's a good idea to have matching hangers in your closet just because of like how much space you can conserve rather than using like a bunch of thick chunky ones. If you're going to buy anything for college, definitely focus on things that are going to keep your organizational system in check. That's where you'll maximize everything that you need to use, and you don't have to find yourself sacrificing things that you want to bring but you can't bring because you don't have space. Right here I have these metal straws. They're these chrome multicolor, fun, exciting looking things. I think it's really important to have reusable items in your dorm room. I'm really big on being aware of what's going on in the environment and making sure I'm doing what I can do as an individual and like what's going on in the world right now. So I think this was from Ulta. It was one of those free gift things, and so I've just been saving it.
I'm too weak. Oh, don't kill me.
Microwave. I got this microwave for $40. I think I got it at Home Depot. If you didn't know, Home Depot has a lot of great things for dorms. Wasn't expecting that. I originally wasn't going to get a microwave, but then my mom was like, oh, you're gonna die if you don't have a microwave, so here we are. And then next I have this toaster oven. Originally I was just going to get a toaster oven, and then my mom sold me on the idea of getting a microwave. But I just like the idea of a toaster oven better because it's a more natural way of heating up your food. And it also has this like little toaster feature to it, and I can toast my bagels, I can toast your strudels, waffles, all that fun stuff. We love a good photobomb.
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So right here I have this Elite Cuisine electric hot pot. I thought this was the cutest thing. I saw this at BrandSmart USA. It was $10 or $11. It's an electric kettle, but it's specifically made where you can put food in it. You can make pasta in here, you can steam vegetables, and I'm trying to get on that healthy life, and college is gonna ruin that for me if I don't try to get on that healthy life. So I got myself one of these. So this next thing is too heavy for me to hold because it's this 3-tiered cart thing that you see behind me from Target. I got it in gray because I'm basic and I like everything gray. So this right here is my laundry basket. I got this from HomeGoods. I just thought it was really cute. I didn't want something too big just because the bigger the laundry basket, the bigger the procrastination of doing laundry. And as you can see, there's stuff in it just because it just helps like storing things before I go to college. I'm just shoving things into whatever I can. So I'm just gonna pull stuff out and we're just gonna go through it. So I have these 2 bath towels from HomeGoods. My mom got me these small garbage bags that are scented. We have makeup wipes. I got this set of Tupperware at Target. Plates, some bowls, more bowls, cups. I just get everything in gray and I don't know why. So then I have more of these makeup wipes. My mom threw some Scantrons in here. Extra toothbrushes. These are the ones that are like, you put batteries in them. I got this at Goodwill for 99 cents. I just thought it was really cute. I have this shower mat. This is extra shampoo and conditioner. This is just 2 out of like the hoard that my mom has in her bathroom right now. I got these little travel tubes. And so the last thing that I have in my laundry basket is this contact solution. So yeah, that's everything that was in my laundry basket. Now that it's like not heavy, I'll give you a better view. It's got this like white cotton lining and then this metal exterior that has some like cross hatching, wooden handles. I just think it's really cute. I have this 2-pack of pillows. They're from Costco. They're just soft pillows and they're a really good price. So we got them. So here I have this 3 shelved organizational thingamajig from Target. It was $25. It's a good amount of space. And last but not least, we have bedding. I got my bedding off of Dormify. I know Dormify can be a little bit expensive, but the reason why I decided to buy off of Dormify was because of the convenience of it all. If you couldn't tell from my last video, I get pretty overwhelmed when I have too many options and I have to look for my own options. And so I just found the convenience of Dormify to be readily available. Hello Kitty. The prices aren't too far off of what you would see in stores. And I had a 25% off coupon, so my whole order got knocked down like $100 and something. The comforter that I have is called the Stay in Bed Eyelash Comforter in Sham Set. I just thought it was super cute. Got this pillow that says I believe in naps, and honestly, if there was a pillow that would represent me as a person, it is this pillow because I love naps. Next, I got this Snuggle Me blanket. I got this gray pillow to go with my other gray item, and then I got this long, fluffy, light blue pom-pom.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Okay guys, so that's gonna conclude our dorm haul for today. Make sure to like, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below any video suggestions you have for the future. See you guys next week.